Saturn is one of the biggest planets in our solar system. You would expect it to be heavy, dense, solid, impossible to move, but Saturn has a strange secret. It could float in water. That sounds impossible, a planet floating like a ball. But floating doesn't depend on size. It depends on density. If something is less dense than water, it floats. And Saturn's density is incredibly low. Saturn is made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas, the same elements found in stars. That makes the planet lighter than you'd expect. In fact, its average density is lower than water. So if you had a bathtub big enough, Saturn would not sink, it would float. But don't imagine a smooth surface. Saturn has no solid ground. You wouldn't be able to stand on it. As you move downward, the gas becomes thicker and thicker, eventually turning into a liquid-like layer under extreme pressure. So Saturn isn't a rock planet like Earth. It's a giant sphere of compressed gas wrapped in storms and clouds. That's why such a massive world can still float, the biggest planet after Jupiter, light enough to stay on the surface of water. In space, size doesn't always mean heavy.